I could go heavier still. That is insane. How is that even possible? As you are about to see, I've made a massive leap in my crimp strength. Because of this, I think in the next coming videos I'll focus more on weight loss and how I go about it. So I'm already going to go for a new PR. But fingers felt pretty good in the warm up. Did feel heavy, but it felt good. So why not? Chase your dreams. That weird, but not painful. And I felt like I could lift more weight as well. Aye, smashed it. I'll go up and weight again then. I'm feeling a little bit nervous for this. Because this would be, I believe, 5 kilograms heavier than what I got last video that I was doing this in. There's plenty of chalk still on it. I felt okay. It did feel slippy, maybe I did need more chalk. Right, let's try it with the left hand. I think I could go heavier still. Right, I'm feeling proper nervous for this. If I can have at least lift this, I'll be happy. I think I'll be able to lift it, mind you, but being able to hold it for 5 seconds, I don't know. And I'm just hoping there's like no injury or anything like that. I felt okay. It just feels like it's going to slip because it's such little space. I mean, for a crimp it looks like it's there are no people that would call that a jug. That's great. I mean, it's grippy like that, but when you're actually holding it, it just feels like it's ready to go flying right out your hand. Right.
Oh, damn! It's killed.
I could go heavier still. That is insane. How is that even possible? Right, if I can lift this and hold this for 10 seconds, I'm happy. I'm not even going to try and push it any further than that because it just feels... Well, one, it feels bizarre that I've even got this, but two, it will feel pretty risky. Because I'm feeling it in the fingers, it feels like I can hold it, but it feels like it could just go at any second. So, quite nerve-wracking, but because I've adjusted the length of this rope as well, it's actually quite close to the ground when I'm holding it, so if I do need to drop it, it's not going to fall far. So it feels safe in that regard. If I need to drop it, I just kind of need to use just lower my legs a wee bit. That left hand feels insanely stronger than the right. It's like I can get a good few more seconds with this hand than I can with that. That's bizarre. I've been watching my videos over and over again, and I thought one hand was stronger at one thing and the other hand was stronger at another with regards to crimps and pinches, but it seems like my left hand's just stronger at both. I don't know why, because I'm right-handed. So I feel like I just need to train this hand more. So I'm going to try and hold this a wee bit more. Aye, another 10 seconds. rest after that, I think. So I'm really happy with the weight I was just holding there. I don't really want to do more sets at that weight. I'd rather drop down to roughly where I was last time I was doing it, but see if I can hold it for even longer than 10 seconds. $30 seconds. Well, I counted in my head 30 seconds. We'll see what it actually turns out to be, but that's nuts. I'm starting to hang though.
What, that you can't count?
That's maybe because I'm not doing pinches in between. Maybe doing the two almost back to back was not smart. I feel like most things that I've done during this progression series already have not been smart. Oh, I forgot I was aiming for 30. I got to 20 and was like, oh, I'm done. Started doing it and I was like, oh wait, shit, I'm not done. So that felt equal actually. About the 30-second mark, both felt pretty strained. So that tells me endurance wise they're probably about the same, but this arm feels more stable and strong for higher weights, like a higher intensity for a shorter time. Right. I'll do this arm for a few seconds again. Might do 10 seconds, then alternate. So I'm starting to feel kind of funny in here. This is weird. Doesn't feel like an injury or anything, but strain. Maybe go to a smaller edge for a few.
So here when I've said drop set, I don't just mean the weight, I do mean also the edges being used. It's a reduction in difficulty.
I feel like every time I do an exercise it always has to be a drop set or a superset. Oh, I don't want to lift that anymore, that feels quite strained in the wrist.
One of the benefits of using the Crimp Block over hangboarding is I feel it's slightly safer, especially when you feel little niggles like this.
Aye, right, I'll leave that there. Oh, very happy with that. Very happy with that.